Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome to this marathon class. And I am Kumar Ravi. I welcome all the students who are watching this session right now. I would say to share, I request to all the students to share this session. Yes. So, my dear students, share this session among all your friends as soon as possible. If I am audible to you, then please let me know. If I am audible to you, then please let me know. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so good morning everyone once again, and I welcome all the students on English Medium Prep by Exam for YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some more questions. We have discussed so many questions in the previous sessions also. Okay, so guys, first of all, I would like to tell you about the official application of Exampur. Official application. You can avail a lot of benefits by just downloading the Exampur official application. How? Let me tell you. First, let me tell you how to download the application. Okay, guys, here you can you can just see the Play Store, and this is the Google Play Store. You can just click on the Google Play Store and you will see a search option here. Search Exampur. You will find Exampur Sarkari Naukri Prep application, and then just install it into your mobile phone and then open it. You will find login and register. And after registering, okay, you should register like this. Provide name and date of birth, email ID, mobile number or district name, etc. And by providing all these details you will be registered with us, and then log in again. After login you will see many types of different exam categories. Okay, so choose any one or two batches you are preparing for, the whatever you are preparing for. Okay, and you can very easily get yourself enrolled in any course, and then you will find a lot of things there. Okay, the fees of the different batches is very low actually. Okay, so these are the benefits. After login you will find such kind of dashboard. These are the live paid courses. Okay, so these are the live paid courses with test series. Okay, so these are the subject wise, topic wise quizzes. Okay, you can place your order for the books also from this place. Okay, job alert, admit card and exam date, all exams previous year PDF. So, hello guys. Uh, there were some problem in the mic section. I just saw that my voice is not audible to the listeners and the viewers. That's why it took some time. Okay. So, if you are live, then you can tell me that voice is coming or not. But you were not. None of them. None of the above. None of the above persons were there. Okay, so guys, we there in this session. Okay, so which type of lens is used in photo camera? When we talk about the photo camera, we use convex lens. Okay, so these are the convex lenses. These convex lenses just converts the light rays, okay, into the camera. Okay, so now okay, in air bubble in water act as I have already explained about the air bubble, that how does an air bubble acts. Okay, so let me tell you the concept behind the air bubble. Okay, yes, so let me tell you the concept behind the air bubble. Suppose that this is the air bubble. Okay, suppose that this is the air bubble, like this. Okay, suppose that this is the air bubble. Suppose that this is the air bubble. Okay, so suppose that this is the air bubble. Okay, suppose that this is the air bubble, and uh, this is water. Okay, so this is water. This is water. So this is water. Suppose that this is water. You can see that this is water. Okay, and this is air. Air. Suppose that the radius of curvature of this side is r. Okay, and this one is also r. Obviously, the circle is same. So, suppose that this is the air and the refractive index will be less than 1, because when we talk about the refractive index of the air with respect to water, then obviously the refractive index with respect to water will be less than 1, and hence first of all we will calculate the focal length, and this is equal to n minus 1 into 1 upon r1. Okay, this is minus 1 upon r2. So 1 upon f, yes, this is 1 upon f, and this is equal to n minus 1. This is this is n minus 1, and this is, okay, suppose that this is n minus 1 and this is 1 upon r1. Okay, so this is plus r. This will be plus and this will be minus r. Okay, so this upon this and this will be equal to this. Okay, so 1 upon f, and this will be equal to n minus 1, and this will be equal to 2 by r. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 by r. Okay, and this will be equal to positive, and this will be negative. Okay, and this will be negative. So here the whole number will be negative. The whole number will be negative. So 1 upon f, and this will be equal to negative. So this will be negative. Okay, so here you can see that if focal length comes out to be negative, focal length comes out to be negative. If focal length is negative, then obviously it would behave as concave lens. it would behave as concave lens. Okay, so this behaves as a concave lens. Now you can see this behaves as a concave lens. Okay, so this behaves as a concave lens. Please write down. So this behaves as a concave lens, and this is the reason that air bubble in water behaves as a concave lens. So here the correct answer will be, concave lens. Concave lens. Okay, so air bubble inside the water behaves as a concave lens, because the focal length of that lens also comes out to be negative. Focal length negative. Okay, yes. For making a beard is used. For making a beard, actually this mirror is used by the barbers, and that's why this is known as shaving mirror. Okay, and that's why this is known as shaving mirror. So you can say that this is concave mirror. So A part will be the correct answer. Okay, so A part will be the correct answer. Now, which mirror is used for rear view in motor car? Which mirror is used for rear view in motor car? Okay, so in motor cars, rear view mirror, or we can say that the side mirror. Okay, so side mirror, when we talk about the side mirror, convex mirror is used. Okay, so convex mirror is used as a side mirror. Hmm. So now, because this is because there are some certain reasons for the convex mirror to be used, because a large aerial view can be seen on a very small surface. Okay, a large view can be seen on a hmm, can be seen on a very small surface. Okay, can be seen from a very small surface. Hmm. So convex mirror. Okay, so I have told you that because a small image or diminished image diminished image comma in horizontally inverted, so such kind of image is formed. Okay, so large aerial view can be seen. Large aerial view can be seen. Okay, so question number 50. Question number 50 is, when a ray is refracted, its velocity is which of the following statements in this context? Velocity increases on moving a ray to a denser medium. Of no, never. Okay, so in case of the light, how is this possible that the velocity increases on moving from rarer to denser? No, this is wrong. We all know that when a light goes from the rarer medium to denser medium, the velocity of the light decreases. Okay, so the velocity decreases on going from rare to denser medium. Yes, it is correct, because we all know that velocity decreases from going from a rarer to a denser medium. Okay. Hmm. The velocity decreases on going from denser to rarer medium. Okay, velocity decreases on going from from denser to rarer medium. Okay, so velocity decreases on going from denser to rarer medium. This is wrong. Okay, D part, change of velocity does not. Okay, actually B part is the correct answer. So here B part is the correct answer, because we all know that, let me tell you, suppose that this is the medium boundary. Okay, suppose that this is the medium boundary like this. Okay, so this is the medium boundary like this, and oh, so this is the medium boundary like this, and this is the light ray. Okay, so this is known as angle I, and this is known as angle R. This is known as angle R. Okay, so here you can see that the speed of light here is c, and speed of light in this medium is v. Obviously, the ratio of c by v, this is equal to the ratio of I upon v. Okay, so this is equal, c upon v is equal to I upon r, I upon r, I upon r. Okay, so due to which property the rod appears to be bent in a vessel filled with water. So due to which property the rod appears to be bent, in a vessel filled with water. Just imagine, I have already told that an object which has been placed inside the water or any liquid, that appears to be risen above when we see outside the liquid, from the outside the liquid. Okay, it means actually refraction occurs, because the light ray starts moving from the object. Okay, and the object is in the denser medium. When the light ray goes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends. Obviously, this will be the reason that the rod will also appear bends. Okay, so here the C part will be the correct answer. So here C part will be the correct answer. Okay, now what is the reason why the bottom of a beaker filled with water appears slightly raised? Okay, so what is the reason why the bottom of a beaker filled with water appears slightly raised? Okay, what is the reason why the bottom of a beaker filled with water appears slightly raised? Yes, I have already explained this kind of example. Okay, so I have already raised this kind of example. So this kind of example, and I have already. So what is the reason why the bottom of a beaker filled with water appears slightly raised? Okay, so refraction will be the correct answer. So refraction will be the correct answer. Okay, now oh, the sequence of colors in a rainbow is the sequence of colors in a rainbow. Yes, we all know that sequence of colors of the rainbow, that is actually that happens because of the some reasons. Okay, and suppose that like this. Okay, and this is V I B G Y O R. Okay, so these are the 7 colors. Okay, so these are the 7 colors actually. These are the 7 colors. These are the 7 colors. So here you can see that violet to red. Okay, so here you can see that violet to red, and this will be, and here, so this will be violet to red, actually violet indigo. Okay, so violet indigo blue, green, actually violet, and this would be indigo, this will be indigo. So D part will be the correct answer, because violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and this will be the correct answer. Okay, so you can see here that D part is the correct answer. Okay, when light passes from a denser medium to a rarer medium, its angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, which phenomena will occur? Okay, when its incidence angle is greater than the critical angle. Okay, my dear students, when a light ray is incident at an angle which is greater than the critical angle. Okay, critical angle, what is the critical angle? Critical angle is the angle of incidence at which the refraction angle is 90 degree. Okay, when light ray goes from denser to rarer medium, when light ray goes from denser to rarer, it bends away from the normal. Okay, it bends away from the normal. And obviously total internal reflection will take place. Okay, so total internal reflection will take place. So now guys, on the basis of which principle of light shadows are formed? Okay, on the basis of which principle of light shadows are formed? Straight line transmission, diffraction, refraction, reflection. Actually C part will be the correct answer, because light moves on the straight line, and hence due to this the image is formed. Okay, images are formed. Yes, the velocity of light, velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 miles per second. This is 3 into 10 to the power 8 miles. And the second part is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Okay, this is 3 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter per second. And this is 3 into 10 to the power 8 kilometers per second. Okay, so here B for Bombay will be the correct answer. Okay, so here B for Bombay will be the correct answer. Now tell me, B for Bombay will be the correct answer. The speed of light is 3 lakhs kilometers per second. 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Lenses are used in optical instruments to form images by which phenomena? Lenses are used in optical instruments to form images by which phenomena? Obviously, when the lenses are used, lens works on the principle of refraction. Okay, so refraction, B part, B for Bombay will be the correct answer. Okay, now if the image is seen upright when standing at any distance in front of mirror, then what type of mirror that mirror will be? Obviously upright, or it means it may be two types of mirror, either flat mirror or the convex mirror, because vertically erect image is formed only in two mirrors, and that is flat mirror or convex mirror. But in case of concave mirror, vertically downward, it means the vertically inverted image is formed. So here also A part will be the correct answer. Okay, so 11, myopia is a disease which is associated with, it is not associated with lungs, it is associated with eyes. Okay, actually in myopia person cannot see the objects placed at large distance clearly. Okay, so here D part will be the correct answer. What is the reason for the formation of rainbow in the sky? What is the reason for the formation of rainbow in the sky? Color dispersion of sunlight, reflection of sunlight, or total internal reflection? What is the reason for the formation of rainbow in the sky? Color dispersion of sunlight. Yes, this is true. Okay, reflection of sunlight, of total internal reflection, this is true. Refraction of sunlight, this is true. Hence we can say that D part will be the correct answer. D part will be the correct answer. Now 39, question number 39. So question number 39, when we talk about human eye is like camera, hence it has a lens system. What makes up an eye lens? Erect or vertical real image of the body on the retina, inverted virtual image of the body on the retina, inverted real. So C part will be the correct answer. C part will be the correct answer, because the image formed is always inverted inside the eye, and this is real image. Okay, so consider the following statements. Clear sky appears blue due to the poor scattering of blue nopes. This is not the poor, strong. Okay, so here A part is the incorrect. Red part of the light in the atmosphere exhibits more scattering knobs. This is not. Red light possesses highest wavelength, and that's why the scattering of the red color light is very, very low. Okay, in the absence of atmosphere, there would be no scattering of light, and the sky would appear black. Yes, C part is the correct answer. Okay, so C part is the correct answer. So here only C is the correct answer. A is the partial correct, because if there would have been strong instead of poor, then we can say that the A and C were the correct answer. But here the only C option is correct. Okay. So the sea water appears blue because absorption of colors other than blue by water molecules, scattering of blue color by water molecules, image formation of knobs. So formation of shadow knobs. So scattering of blue color by this molecule, absorption of colors other than, yes. So here this will be the correct answer. Okay. Consider the following statements. Sun appears red at sunrise and sunset due to scattering. Sun appears red at sunrise and sunset due to scattering. Okay. So sun appears red and sunrise and sunset due to scattering. So sun appears. Okay. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay. So this is correct answer. Plane polarization of light produces vibrations in a plane. Plane polarization of light produces vibrations in a plane. Obviously, this is correct. This is correct. Okay. So the diffraction of light bends around. the diffraction of light bends around the corners of the hole. The diffraction of light bends around the corners of the hole. Okay. So the diffraction of light bends around the corners of the hole. Diffraction of light bends around the corners of the hole. ठीक है. Diffraction of light bends around the corners of the hole. This is correct. Okay. The hindrance of the shape is less as compared to the wavelength of the diffraction light. Which of the following statements are correct? This one is also correct. So here you can see that D, all or of the above are correct. Okay. So all of the above are correct. Red color light is used in traffic signals because red color light is used in traffic signals because it has longest wavelength. It has longest wavelength. This is not beautiful knobs. Okay. So here A part is the correct answer. Here A part is the correct answer. On what principle does optical fiber work? Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Because when we talk about the TIR inside the optical fiber, it happens like this. Okay. So light ray goes from this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. Okay. So actually light rays reflects in such a manner. Okay. So light ray reflects in such a manner like this. So this is nothing but, okay, so this is nothing but like this. Okay. So here if you send 100 joules of energy, obviously 99.99 joule of energy is received at this end. Okay. Hence why this is known as the total internal reflection. Which of the following are the primary colors? Red, yellow and blue. Obviously A part is the correct answer. Red, yellow and blue. Sky appears blue when viewed from the earth due to scattering of shorter wavelengths. We all know that the scattering takes place. Scattering 1 upon wavelength to the power 4. Okay, so VIBGYOR, this is ये. Okay, so here we see that So here we see that this happens. Okay, so here we see that scattering is proportional to 1 upon wavelength to the power 4. The color of light is determined by dimensionally wavelength. Okay, so dimensionally, when we talk about dimensionally wavelength intentionally with velocity, the color of light is determined by the wavelength. Okay, color of light is determined by the wavelength. The minimum height of a plane mirror to see the full image of a body, the minimum height of a plane mirror is to see the full image of a body is equal to the half of the height of the person. So B part will be the correct answer. Okay, so CV Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize for which experiment? Okay, Sir CV Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize for which experiment? And that was the light scattering. Okay, that was the light scattering. Rainbow is the result of which events related to light? Rainbow is the result of which events related to light? Rainbow. Obviously, refraction and dispersion are the correct answer. Scattering doesn't take place in the rainbow formation, and the diffraction doesn't take place in rainbow formation, and refraction and reflection takes place. But not only the reflection and refraction, dispersion is the main thing, and that's why here A part will be the correct answer. Okay, so the radius of curvature of a plane mirror, when we talk about the radius of curvature of a plane mirror, and that is this. Okay, so guys, the radius of curvature of a plane mirror is When we talk about the radius of curvature of plane mirror, then obviously which part will be the correct answer? Tell me, which part will be the correct answer? Which part will be the correct answer? Tell me which part will be the correct answer. This is very simple, as we have explained this concept very easily. Hello, hello. So tell me which will be the correct answer. Hmm. So, my dear students, when we talk about the plane mirror, this question has already been asked in UPPCS. UPPCS 2015. I remember that some students were coming from the examination center after the exam, and I met them in Delhi metro. Okay, from Dilsad Garden to Kashmiri Gate side. So everybody was talking, discussing about their exam, that how was their exam actually. So one of the students who was just sitting beside me on inside the metro, and he just opened his question book, okay, question booklet, and he started discussing the questions from his friend. When he reached down this question, the radius of curvature of a plane mirror, the first option was 0. And really, he exclaimed that his question is correct, and the answer he has given is 0. And I really laughed at him, and I told him that you are wrong. The correct answer is infinite. The correct answer is infinite. Okay, so always remember. So always remember, this is infinite. Okay, so here question: which of the following does not affect the speed of sound? Actually, this question is incomplete. When temperature is constant, when temperature is constant, when temperature is constant, okay, so speed of sound does not get affected, does not get affected, does not get affected by. When temperature is constant, speed of sound does not get affected by pressure. Does not get affected by pressure. Okay. So, what type of waves are X-rays? What type of wave are X-rays? Actually, they are electromagnetic in nature. They are electromagnetic in nature. Okay. They are electromagnetic in nature. The technology used for transmitting audio signal. The technology used for transmitting audio signal in television broadcast is, okay. The technology used for transmitting audio signals in television broadcast is dimension imputation. Okay, dimension imputation. The technology used for transmitting audio signal in television broadcast is dimension imputation, pulse imputation, frequency imputation, timex. This question has not this question is not from our syllabus actually. Okay, from the communication system, communication engineering. Okay, which type of electromagnetic radiation is used to use the remote control device of television? I have already told and many times told that infrared is the correct answer. Okay, so infrared is the correct answer. Now, when the same note, this is noise. According to the World Health Organization, the safe noise pollution for a city is 45 decibel. 45 decibel. Okay. The noise intensity level of 100 decibels corresponds to 100 decibels is corresponds to the noise of the machine factory. This is very noisy actually. It can harm the human ear and cause of the permanent hearing loss also. Okay. Consider the following statements. The heart vibrates at inaudible frequency. The speed of sound is greater in gas, greater in gas than in liquid and solid. This is wrong answer actually. Okay. So Mach number is used to indicate the speed of sound. Okay. The heart vibrator in, yes, this is correct. For the frequency of ultrasonic is more than this. Yes. Obviously, statements are correct. In the above statements, first, third, and fourth. First and third and fourth are the correct answer. Okay. So here bats can fly in the dark night and can also hunt their prey. What is the reason for this? Okay, the reason for this is they produce ultrasound waves like this. Suppose that this is bat. Okay, such type of waves produces, such type of bat produces, and suppose that this is an object. Okay, so this is an hindrance. So these ultrasonic waves just go and come back. Okay, so this is bat, and these are ultrasonic waves. These are ultrasonic, and this is hindrance. Okay, and this is hindrance. So in this way, D is the correct answer. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Now tell me, consider the following statements regarding ultrasonic waves. They can destroy insects. They can destroy insects. Consider the following statements regarding ultrasonic waves. Okay, uh, they can destroy insects. They can clean clothes. They can clean clothes by removing dust. Okay. 3. They can be used. 3. They can be used for the treatment of diseases. Okay. And they can control automatic doors. So there are four options. There are four options. Okay. So you can see here that first, second, and third, and fourth, all of the above are correct. Okay. So two persons cannot hear each other on the surface of the moon. Two persons cannot hear each other on the surface of the moon because their ear stop working on the moon? Nope. So this is A option. B. There is no atmosphere on the moon. There is no atmosphere on the moon. Yes, this is the correct answer actually. So this one is the correct answer. So B part will be the correct answer. Okay. What should be the minimum distance between the source of sound and the reflecting surface of the echo can be heard? Actually, the correct answer is 16.6 meters. 16.6 meters. Okay, but this is at 0 degrees Celsius. But when we talk about the 22 degrees Celsius, it is 17.2. 17.2 meters. Okay, so here both of these can be just compared with these values. Here we find that 17 is the nearby value. Okay, so B part will be the correct answer. Sound waves cannot move in vacuum because sound waves cannot move in vacuum because of the absence of medium. Okay, medium is required. And tell me that sound waves are longitudinal wave. Okay, so these are okay. These are the longitudinal wave. These are longitudinal wave. Okay, and longitudinal waves are mechanical waves. Okay, mechanical waves, mechanical waves, and mechanical waves require medium. Mechanical waves require medium for its propagation. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Okay. In which medium the speed of sound will be maximum at a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius? In which medium, in which medium, in which medium the speed of sound will be maximum at a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius? The correct answer will be D part. Okay. In which medium the speed of sound will be fastest? Obviously, we all know that in solids the speed of sound is fastest. Okay. Now, given the three mediums, water, steel, and nitrogen, there is a sound in speed ascending order. Obviously, you can see that second part, steel, is the solid as well as the flexible, and hence the speed of sound will be maximum. And the first, this is the liquid, obviously, and this is the gas. So here B part will be the correct answer. Okay. Which phenomena do bats or dolphins use to detect prey? Actually, they just this is an echo actually. Okay, so this is an echo. Name the radiation energy whose energy is minimum. Microwave. Okay, so what radiation can the ideal black body absorb? All wavelengths, because a black body absorbs all the wavelengths, and this is the reason that it appears to be black. It appears to be black. Okay. It appears to be black. It appears to be black. Now, what is the correct answer? Tell me. Here, what is the correct answer in this question? So tell me here which one is the correct answer. So tell me here which one is the correct answer. What happens due to the flight of the supersonic jet? What happens due to the flight of supersonic jet? Okay. What happens due to the flight of supersonic jet? Okay. Supersonic jet. Actually, obstruction of the ozone layer. Okay. The waves used for the telecommunication are microwaves. Okay. What is the distance between two successive horns and two successive throbs? Actually, when we talk about this is the wave actually. Okay, the wave is just like this. So here the distance between these 2 points. So here the distance between these 2 points, this is lambda. This is wavelength. Okay, so these are known as the crest. These points are known as crest, and these points are known as troughs. Okay, so this one is also lambda. So here we can see that this is the B part is the correct answer. Okay, so my dear students, these are the questions. Actually, I'm here discussing. These are very important, and I know that SSC CGL, the weightage of general studies has been increased. Okay, so sufficiently in SSC CGL. So slowly they are moving toward the civil services pattern actually. Okay, so between 88 to 108 megahertz. So D is this. Okay, so cosmic rays, these are charged particles actually, and we have discussed this question already. So my dear students, this is for today, and tomorrow we will discuss some more questions. Be there, and please keep sharing these videos among all your friends so that they can also watch this session and they can get the benefit. As I have already told you that you should download the applications, official application of Exampur, and you may avail the different kinds of benefits. Okay, so this is for today, and thank you so much for joining us. And if you are watching this session offline, then please do like and share this session so that other people can also get the benefit.